again for joining us here on Soaring Eagle DIY. In this video, we're going to be covering the GoPower 600 watt solar kit that we've installed into our RV. Now, what I need to start off with is I started building this DIY RV about 1.5 to 2 years ago, quite a while before I decided to start this YouTube channel. So a lot of this equipment has been installed into the RV at an earlier date, much before the upstart of this channel. So there won't be any video on doing the actual installation, but we will travel out to the RV and have a look at it at the end of this in-house clip here. But what I do want to cover in this particular video is the GoPower kit that we've installed into the RV. Now it's a 3000 watt inverter, comes with 3 solar panels, so it's 600 watts of solar, and all the components are included in this particular kit. As we go through this, there's 3 solar panels on it. There's an inverter with a solar charger and the controller for the inverter, and all the cables are included. Now with the IC 3000 watt inverter that you see on the back here, it alone comes with components designed inside of it as well. Besides just being a 3000 watt inverter, it also has a built-in transfer switch, so it eliminates the need of an external transfer switch because it's built right into the inverter, and so you wouldn't need one of those. And the kit also, besides the controller for the inverter, also comes with a 30 amp solar panel controller charger unit as well in the kit. So that all comes within the kit. But the IC 3000 watt inverter, it also, I've made some notes here because all the pieces that are included in there is too much to remember, so it's easier for me to write it down. So the 3000 watt inverter comes with a 100 amp battery charger, so you don't need a charger, standalone charger for your batteries. So when you're plugged into shore power, it'll charge it. And then of course, like I said, it has that built-in transfer switch. The moment that you plug it into shore power, it'll switch right over. Now the 3 panels that it comes with, they're full-size panels. They're 200 watts each, 59 inches long and 26 inches wide with those panels. Now on my particular unit, I do have the 3 panels, but only 2 of them are installed at this point in time. And the controller that it comes with, it's a 30 amp controller for your solar panel charger that comes within the kit as well. So it's not an extra piece that you need to buy. And then the controller also has Bluetooth access, so you can see it on your smartphone device. It does come with the cabling kit to charge from the panels down into the batteries is included in it. And it also has some heavy-duty wire-up cables to wire up the batteries to the inverter. And it comes with a breaker switch as well. Then it has 3 sets of bracketing for your solar panel on roof. And there's a lot of information available online that you can download and print off. The specs of each particular unit and its voltages, current rate, its charge amp rate, and all of those things are spec'd out. And then it's time to go install this up on the roof. In this particular picture, it does show it's got 4 panels on the roof, so obviously that's not the 600 watt panel. This person has 4 panels on his roof, and this kit does come with 3 panels, so I don't want that picture to be misleading. And the efficiency of these solar panels are very well designed. They're well known across the RV marketplace. You'll find these in a lot of store places, and we'll also leave a link down below where we have access to that through our web store as well. Or if you're in a different area and you want to buy it elsewhere, by all means. So let's get out there and have a look at our system that's installed into our RV right now. I've been using it for about 1 year now, and it's worked really well for us, but we'll do a close-up picture of the installation in the RV. And please, by all means, do like and subscribe to our channel if you find it interesting and valuable to yourself, and pass on our link to other people as well. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you over at the RV and see what we can show you there as far as the complete installation that we've done. All right, here we are at the RV. Let's go have a look at our system that we've got installed here. We'll go up on the roof first off and have a look at the solar panels that we've got connected on top here. Now, what I've got here is two 200-watt solar panels, one over here, one over on the right. I've always have intentions of putting another one of these roof brackets on the front. I do have the roof brackets and the solar panels, just haven't put them up top, and I can put the third solar panel up front to get the full 600 watts of solar on this. Got a couple plugs laying up there from the job the other day. Haven't pulled that off when we did that camera. So that's the two solar panels that we've got mounted up top here, and then wired down inside that box, and then it goes down into the RV. So let's go have a look inside. All right, here we are inside, and all the wiring comes down there, and it's a bit of a rat's nest there right now. I have some cables to clean up, but the solar charge cables go through the cabinet and then go into the wall, and they're in behind the wall surface and end up coming out the bottom here into the cargo bay area. So this is where we have our 3000-watt inverter installed on the back wall here, with some air circulation around it, and also off, from the bottom. And our Sure Power cable goes down into the floor there, and then it goes into a pipe underneath the trailer, comes out on the other side for our 110 Shore Power plug-in. And then those heavy-duty cables that come with the kit, you see it coming off the inverter right here down on the wall. I did use some different heavy-duty cable connectors and fuses on this system. Actually, that's right. Those systems, those connectors did come with the kit. That's correct. I had some smaller ones on there at first, and I upgraded it. And then they go down into what we've got two batteries, a battery bank here of two 6-volt batteries. So we've got, I think they're 100 amp batteries each. So we've got 200 amps, 12 volt is what we're running. And so that's the system, and it's wired throughout. And then we just have some other distribution panels here for negative and ground wire, and a couple of circuits on this side here as well for our electronic systems up on the cabinet here. And there's a full power distribution panel just underneath the bed here as well. And the controllers for the inverter is right up here, and I'll just turn that on. We should have power. Just fire that up, see if we can get it to light up. Yeah, there we go, initializing. And coming on, sitting at 13 volts on the batteries right now, drawing about 31 amps of power off the inverter, because I do have the DC lights on inside here, so it's drawing a little bit of power besides the inverter. And then the solar charge controller is right over there, which is also a part of that kit. So that unit there and this unit here come with the 600 watt system. And I did see the power come up on the cameras and stuff, but it looks like I have to put in a password to get our cameras up and running, what we installed in our last video there. So that's a quick synopsis here of the system that we have installed, the 300 watt inverter, which also includes a battery charger, and it also has the functionality of doing a shore power switch. It'll just do that automatically as soon as you hook it into AC shore power, and you don't even have to mess with that. So there we go. That's the quick installation that we did roughly about a year ago, but just prior to starting our YouTube channel, so I didn't have any video on doing the actual installation, but it's pretty straightforward. And we'll just take another shot here, this back wall where there's a little bit more of that distribution system in there. And you definitely want to use some heavy duty cable. I think it's like an aught 0 or aught 1 battery cable, but it does come in the kit as well, so you don't need to buy that optional. And then over on the other side of the wall, there's exits right there is a battery, a full battery turn off switch on the outside that we can reach from just underneath the table. So that, my friends, is the complete install of that 3000 watt system, and it's worked out really well for us for charging up our batteries when we're not. Oh, there goes our camera. I guess it did come on while we're chit-chatting here. And we can sit inside here at nighttime, turn the camera off, see what's happening outside, day or night. Quick